So good morning, welcome to data science lab experiment number 1. So today we'll see the overview of the syllabus and we'll work on lab experiment number 1. Disclaimers: all the slides presented here are obtained from authors of various books and various other contributors. I hereby acknowledge all the contributors for their material and input. I have added and modified few slides to suit the requirements of the course. So basically module 1 talks about introduction to data science. Normally that will be held, you will be learning in your classes, theory classes. Coming on to the prerequisite for the lab is you need to know the installation and how to execute the Python program, which you have done it earlier, but as a part of the syllabus lab experiment prerequisite, I'm just brushing through. So you have to just log into anaconda.com/download, give your email ID here and submit. Once you submit, you will get a mail from Anaconda. You can see here, you get a mail from Anaconda, so you can download. So once you click on the download button, so what happens? Anaconda downloads. So once the download is complete, what you can do is you can just double click and follow the instructions of Anaconda. Once the installation is done, so what we need to do is we need to start the Anaconda navigator, and we have to click on Jupyter Notebook launch. Just click on this. As you click on, what happens? A new page is generated like this. Yeah, new page is generated. Now if you want to run your experiment, what you need to do is you need to just start Python. So here you can certainly run your Python programs. So this is my title page, so I can give the title of the page or name of the file as my practice. Okay, practice 1, and I just execute one of the program. So A is equal to input, enter A, enter your age. So this will typecast into an integer, and if A is greater than 18, print eligible to vote. So I can run. Age 40, eligible to vote. Age 18 just now, no message. So you can certainly give else. You can copy the same thing, add one more statement, not eligible to vote. So if you want greater than or equal to, yes, you can certainly do that. So 18 years, eligible to vote. One more instance. 17 years, not eligible to vote. It's a simple program. This is how you can certainly execute the program. So now we shall discuss about data science experiment 1 as given in the syllabus. So you need to plot a graph. You can see here you need to plot a line graph based on this data, the number of hours spent in studies of, that is in x-axis, and number of scores in the final examination is in y-axis. So this we have to execute, and of course since it is a line chart, so we can use marker as red stars. Okay, for this what we need to do is we need to import matplotlib.pyplot. This is a sub library of the main library. So matplotlib. So this is a module and this is a submodule. This entire thing I call it by a short name as PLT. You can see it is called by a name PLT. And of course you can understand in this program, of course I zoom it. Okay. So you can see in this program I also use NumPy. This will be used in the later part. So the values that we have already acquired, so that is x and y values, these values I just put it here. You can see in the two lists. So that is x is equal to so and so, y is equal to so and so. I just put them into array list. You can see. So based on the list x and y, so I'm going to plot, and marker as I given in the question, star I have marked, and I have created given the color as red. So, and he also says the label the axis given in the plot title. Okay, so title I have given examination study analysis graph. Of course, x-axis number of hours spent, y-axis number of marks scored. So this is the thing, and finally plot.show. As I run it, I get the plot. This is the plot I get. So this is some value, this is another value, this is another value. So for 2 hours if you study, you get see this much. If you study 8 hours, you got this much. 9 hours something, 11 hours, 10 hours, and of course here you can see 16 hours if you study, you will get so of course this is the line graph that you can certainly get it. Once you do that, you can also plot the other graphs like scatter graph. So only thing that you are going to change here, plt dot scatter. Plt is nothing but your pie plot. So you get the scattered graph, and of course color bubbled graph. If you want, you can certainly same color bubble. So but only thing is you should use color bar. So color bar is nothing but it's a function that takes the colors and create a color bar. So this is a color bar, and based on the frequency of that value, the darkness and lightness are created. And of course the same thing if I use the bar graph, so I should use a plt bar, so I can certainly generate the bar graph here. You can see the bar graph, I got it. And another example of bar graph is that so I have various subjects and various number of students studying in that subject, so our courses. So I plot based on x and y, color is equal to orange, and I also have add value labels, so x and y values. So x and y values, so according to the position of the plot, so plot text, you can certainly experience the text. So this is a box. In the box you certainly get that text. So white is equal to the face color, and of course alpha is the transmission. This is a dictionary value that I am getting. So I is the value that it is going to iterate. Y of I for all the values of x. So y is the y value that is given in here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y of 0, y of 1, y of 2. So those values are displayed. So as I run this, so I get this values. So this is how you can create various graphs based on the thing. So additionally, you can run this experiment based on the given question, and additionally you can plot the other graphs also. So you can plot other graphs also. The same thing I will be explaining in I will be giving the same programs. I'll be giving the same programs in the form of lab manual. So this is your experiment number 1. Finally, we have come to the end of today's lab experiment. For this experiment, I have referred BTU BE syllabus, anaconda.com, and also 2 textbooks by Gel Gross, Data Science from the Scratch, the second textbook, Python Data Visualization Cookbook from Igor Malknovic and others. Also stackabuse.com, the matplotlib tutorial and examples. So same thing you can refer. That's all for today's experiment number 1. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.